Hello and welcome everybody to today's 3D walkthrough. Today we're going to be taking a look at the CTM 360Y label applicator. This is a label applicator for a pre-printed label. Just going to do a quick walkthrough to get you guys a better understanding of how this machine operates. So the actual roll of labels would be loaded here. This standard is actually a 12-inch OD. A lot of times folks will use an 8-inch OD, but you have a maximum here as far as the standard to go up to 12 inches of outside diameter, which gets you more labels and actually makes more sense when you're going to automate. You want to get a large roll so you have less changeover, and that will result in less downtime. So the roll will be loaded here and it gets webbed through. And here, if I zoom in, this label pad would be a vacuum. So this is a vacuum label pad. You have a Delrin or resilient type of materials that could be used. Delrin is standard. Resilient would be used for something that you want to apply a pressure to the product, and it's more spongy. So then that way you get a nice application for your label. You'll also be able to get really close to the part and blow the label on. Delrin works really well for that. There's actually an air assist tube here, so this air assist tube will help assist that label onto that vacuum label pad. When that label is fully dispensed, it will then stroke out and apply it to the product box, whatever it is. And it gets webbed through the back here through the actual servo drive and then the take-up reel for the waste. So anytime you change over from a roll, you would remove that waste and then recycle it, of course. Back over here on this other end, you will see the actual pneumatic. So this is the valve of it. You have your air assist, you have your vacuum, and then you have your tamp, which controls the actual stroke on the label pad. You can also add a vacuum shutoff, so when the printer is not cycling, it turns off the vacuum, and that really helps with ROI. You're not sucking air whenever the machine is not cycling. This is actually a left-hand version of the machine. You can also get it in the right-hand version. So left hand just means it's dispensing out to the left, and then you have a right-hand version, just meaning it dispenses to the right. Really, we would work with you, take a look at your application, and recommend the best hand. It also could be mounted in different attitudes. So you can flip it like this. So let's say the product is over here. It could be applied this way. You can flip it all, apply it down on a box. You could stroke out this way as well. We would call this nose down versus nose up. This would be the front view upright and above, and then you also have reels up. So let's say, imagine a box is coming down a conveyor like so, and this tamp will actually stroke out at us. It uses a U-arm for mounting. So I'm going to go back here and get us a better view. So this is the U-arm that's then mounted to an upright stand. Again, based on your application, there's different stand heights that you can get, and it actually has flexibility as far as vertically. It could be adjusted, again, based on your product. So that's just a quick run through, walk through of a 3D CAD of the 360Y automated pre-printed label applicator. Feel free to please reach out, discuss your project with us. We'll be happy to help answer any of your questions and make sure that we customize this applicator to meet your needs. Thank you.